Get Up, Get Out, sponsored by UPMC Pinnacle.
So we decided we needed bigger and better. So we added new dual, approximately 800-foot long zip lines.
And jumping 4 stories high at takeoff, then zipping at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, it's not for the faint of heart. But Josh Bolts with Round Top says it's something the whole family can conquer together.
You don't need any physical ability at all to do, so people really were asking for that.
But for the more daring, Round Top's vertical trek is the way to go.
It's a little more intense and a little more demanding. I mean, it starts at the top of the mountain and kind of zigzags through the woods all the way back down to the base.
Zigzag meaning with 10 different zip lines and lots of high ropes challenges dozens of feet off the ground. But first, you get to ramp up anticipation with a leisurely ride on the chairlift before your blood really starts pumping.
Is fully harnessed in. Our staff makes sure you're properly clipped into all the lines and everything. So you're just here to have fun. You don't have to worry about the safety. We take care of that.
And once you take that first leap of faith, it's just a couple of hours of pure fun.
You get over the fear of heights. That's kind of a natural. That once people go through the first zip line, they normally have a good time.